How to change your PayPal password without phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can change your PayPal account's password without a phone number. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you might have lost access to your phone number, or now maybe your phone number has changed but you're trying to reset your password. It doesn't give you any other option than sending a code to that specific number. So how do we reset our password in that case? Well, first of all, let me show you what the issue is. I'll open the PayPal application, and then since I do not remember my password, I'm going to just tap on the forgotten password button over here. But as I do that, it will ask me to enter the email address that is associated with my PayPal account. So first of all, in order to find this, I'll just go ahead and then enter my email address. Once I enter my email address here, I'll just tap on the next option. But instead of asking me to verify and reset my password via my email, PayPal only gives me one option, and that is to simply receive a security code to my phone number that was attached with my PayPal account. But the problem here is that I no longer have access to this phone number, and you might also no longer have access to this number, right? So how do we go ahead and do that? Now, if you're lucky, sometimes you might be able to find the option to verify with the email, and you might want to select the option called email over here. But we do not have that option, so the only thing we can do is we have to contact the PayPal customer care. And in order to do that, open up your browser, and then in the search box just type in PayPal support page. Just go ahead and then type in PayPal support page and then search for it. You'll see the very first link that says PayPal Help Center Home. Just tap on that link. Once you tap on that specific link, it will give you a list of options such as how can we help, but we're going to scroll down to the bottom, and here you'll find the button that says contact us, right? So just tap on the contact us button. As you go to the contact us button over here, scroll down to the bottom, and common issues, of course, password and account access, right? So just going to tap on that option, and under it I'll just go to login problems. Once I go to login problems, now there are some of the things that we can do, but of course these are basically useless because we do not have our phone number. So what we will do is instead scroll down. If you still need help, we recommend you to call us. So just tap on the call us button. It will give you this link over here that says call us button. All you need to do is just tap on this link in order to call them, and this number right over here is the official PayPal support number. I'll also make sure to drop a link down below, or you can directly dial this number and call PayPal. Let them know that you have access to your email maybe, and you are ready for any verification purposes to verify that the account is yours. But the only problem here is that you no longer have access to your phone number, and hopefully you both guys are going to reach a specific solution. And hopefully this video helped you solve your problem. If it did help solve your problem, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.